on our way to the airport.
Good morning!
Good morning. Morning kayo. So 9:10 yung flight. See you.
wala akong masasabi.
Ikaw.
Hello.
Ikaw, Pilay. Oh, nandyan. We're done with check-in, 7 a.m. All in all, mga 20 minutes kami na lang natin.
Place under the seat in front of you or in the seat pocket at all times.
Your food, you have tapa. It is 10:30. We're set to arrive Bangkok by 11 plus. Siguro 2 hours pa kasi 1 hour behind si Bangkok. Nakaryat na sa ibang flight na sa PAL. We're in Bangkok. Ano agenda today? Kape. Kailangan din masarap na kape. Tapos kain na tayo.
If makapunta din tayo doon, I wanna buy the pajamas.
Si Harriet, kung magpapagawa ng suit, kailangan na today. So ako, pinag-isipan ko ba kung papagawa ko suit?
Abot ba?
Abot.
Before you leave.
Hindi, sa'yo.
But you have to sukat pa.
Yeah. I'll sukat. Update you later. Out. Nauna kami. We are withdrawing cash. Oh,
Yun na yun.
kinain yung ATM ni Jade dito sa Patay. Anong nangyari?
Kinain niya card ko. Sarap daw.
Wala na kaming pera.
Meron pa naman, pero
Baka
delikado
oo,
kasi.
delikado. So, nag-aantay kami ng tutulong.
Ano ko yung isa?
Ayan o. Kinain yung card namin. What a start. Nakain uli yung card namin. Ito. Nakain na naman siya dito. So, dito una, pangalawa ito. So, ayan na. There's our driver. Arriving in 5 minutes.
VIP.
Ikaw.
Kapkun ka?
Ikaw, bad trip ka
Visit
ba?
yung ATM.
Bad trip. Walang pera to. So, mataas ang anxiety ni Jade pag walang pera. Walang pera ang dala yan. Oh, say hi.
Asan yung sabalik ka? Parang nasa Australia lang tayo.
Tapos 10 minutes until we get to the hotel. Nandun na ba sila, Harriet?
Ewan, walang may internet eh.
Ako pala meron. Sige, text ko sila. Bye.
Are here. Login the vlog.
Thank you so much. Thank you. In Akara. Yenda. Uy, masarap yung sauce niya. So, what's this? Corn sago with coconut milk. Oh, looks good.
Puro sticky rice.
This is served every day?
Yes,
Oh. Ah. This. Ah. Tapos may fruits, oh. Ano masasabi?
Sad. Kapkun ka.
Welcome to Thailand.
Okay.
Comment, hello. This is me one day in Thailand. This is me.
This is me.
First day, one day in Thailand.
This is me. Second day in Thailand.
Yan na. Babayan, mga mukhang libre.
paying it.
Mukhang libre. Sarap sauce niya. Talaga? Napakasawa Bangkok. Thailand din. Wow. Ganda. May bathtub. Halos 30 minutes na siya nag-fashion show.
Sabi nila 3:30 call time.
3:30 call time. Ako nakahiga lang. Chill lang. Sa charge ng mga gamit. Tingnan mo yung kwarta namin. Wait. And the damit is all over. You see? OTT for Bangkok. Init eh. Magpapatahi kami ng suit. Hindi sa Platinum Mall, sa Secret. Tapos si Macy tsaka si pupuntang Nalito na ako, mamaya na. Dito kami papagawa ng suit. Also,
No problem. First, you pick the color for the suit, and then
puwetsyang sa mga puwetsyang.
This or like something like this.
Yung mga gawa ni AJD. Ganda.
Like
Yun nga, kakapakita nga lang sa akin eh.
for the jacket fit, I would go ahead and extra.
This is my peg. Final measurement. Napabili na ako. We're going back tomorrow at 8. Trial kami. Anong masasabi mo? Bespoke. Mga tiban to. We're off to Central World. 10-minute walk from the hotel. 1 kilometer.
Naglaway na ako eh. On me.
Yaman, pucha! We're in Platinum. Here at Central World, we're going to Sephora. Meet up sila Mao. Yan na yung sip to sleep niya. Try mo na kayo. Time check, 6:15. Papahinga lang kami. Tapos kakain na kami.
Well, Jade is buying.
Hindi pa ka tayo nakapunta ng Platinum Mall.
Hindi pa.
Diyan na pala yung Platinum Mall.
Mas una yung platinum. Very cracker.
Dinner time at Sombun. So, i-flash ko na lang yung mga pagkain namin dyan sa screen. Oh, durian. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Sarap? Favorite ko durian eh. Smile. Smile. We are on our way home. 15 and ay ko. We're home, we're home, we're home. We'll have a massage later. Freshen up lang. Bye!
The next day.
Morning. It is 9:20. We'll have breakfast. Uy, ganda. Breakfast niya. Fast ko. Officially day 1 in Bangkok. Mainit, hindi maulan. We're going to a museum today. And that's it. I don't know the plan. Mrs. President. We are currently at the lobby. Time check, it's 11:25. We're on our way to Jim Thompson Museum. And our car is arriving in 15 minutes. Okay, bye.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
This is our taxi. We're on our way to Jim Thompson and it's traffic.
Sige, papunta na.
12:45 na lang.
May tour ng 12:20.
Hindi nga.
6, but we're gonna pay separately. Okay. Is that fine? Go on, go.
Sakto. O sige. Libre ako ni Mayor. Thank you, Mayor. Ang daling budolin ni Ate Sam. Meron na agad. Yan na po sila. Namimili na po ng kape. Andyan po si Ate Beng, si Harriet, si Macy at si Jade. Si Mau ay umalis. Ano yan? 3,000 baht yan. Pag kinonvert natin sa peso yan, 5,000 yung sombrero. 2.5 yung sombrerong yan.
Balik sa
5,000 po yung sombrerong yan. Jim Thompson's house. Bawal magpaa. So, ayan. Oh my God, ganda. 9 paintings. Bawal mag-video kaya takas. One more. 1, 2. Ng mga silk na polo. Pero shit, 4K isa. Waiting for a Grab driver. We're going to Icon Siam. Doon na kami mag-lunch sa food court. Oh, say hi!
Hello.
Yeah. Andito na kami. Ayan. Yung George natin. Ayan na. These are all crocodiles. Ayan.
My dear.
Oh, durian, no? That's durian. I'll eat that later.
Jumping shrimps.
Jumping ship, and then you'll eat them alive. Cannot.
Pad Thai. Bili tayo isa. Or like,
Alam sa kanila.
si Harriet bibili din ng Pad Thai.
Mukhang dito kami ang order. Yem. Crispy pork. Pad Thai yan. Yun yung order na Pad Thai.
May pantay dito, ba't ka pa umuha?
Bear, nahirapan ako doon.
Lahat tayo bibili.
Ang sarap ng ano. Ang sarap ng pork.
May oyster oil.
Nanak ko din siya. Parang ano.
264 baht. So mga 500 pesos. Mahal. But it's so good. We're done with lunch. Kami ay nasa Icon Mall. Coffee at Arabica. Ang ganda. This is nice. Parang yung sa Bali. Sephora, waiting for everyone. Uwi muna ako, mag-fitting ako.
Kami magka-Chinatown. Nahabol siya.
Wow! This is it. Ay, mali.
Suska.
Ito pala yung kotse namin. Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes kami. Ang luwang. Diba? This one is good.
This one is good,
But-
only from down.
Yeah, it's too wide, the circular. I'm fat now. I ate a lot here. Too loose, yeah. Too loose. Baggy. Too baggy.
I'll take it all the way down.
Yeah. Papagawa pa ako ng isang. Papahabol pa ako ng isang coat. This is Bangs. Bang. Cute. It's nice.
So how much is that? 4,500?
4!
Ito parang schoolgirl, ano, with the skirt. Cute na siya. Parang schoolgirl.
Done. We're back at the hotel. We're done with fitting. Pagawa ko ng isa pa. And then we're going to meet with sila Harriet sa Chinatown. So, mga 30 minutes to get to Chinatown. 4 kilometers. See you. Going to the top, nightcap. Bye, nightcap.
Next day, the next day, the next day.
Time check. It is 11:15. It's my last day today. We're going to Platinum Mall today. We are riding a taxi to Platinum. No more walking kasi mainit. Crispy Park. Ayan po. Ayan po. Going home. Ready for game. See you. I'm flying out tonight because I have a game tomorrow. So I'm sort of trying to make things easier for Jim. So pinapack ko yung what I can kasi siya yung may dala ng malaki. So yun, that's... Bye. Antayin na lang ka chata. Say bye. goodbye to my wifey. Wish me luck tomorrow. Okay, 8:45. Done na. In at 8:55. So, ikot-ikot muna tayo. Hanap tayo kayo. Boarding. Time to go home and play basketball.
I arrived Manila at around 3 a.m. and was able to reach home at 4:30.